Stay hydrated. A fresh glass of healthy purified water. What else do you need in life, right? Now we cover a lot of gadgets on this channel, and today I am personally excited to cover this home appliance that almost everyone uses every day. And it's a very important home appliance because it gives us purified water. Yes, I'm talking about a water purifier. This one is from Urban Company. It's called their Native M2 RO water purifier, which comes with some incredible features. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know about a very special feature of this water purifier. Before buying any RO water purifier, one needs to know about some important things, because it's easy to buy a water purifier, but over time, very difficult to maintain one. This might be a little obvious, but first and foremost, you need to check the quality of the water purification. Considering that this is the main job of any water purifier, you need to check the different filtration stages so that you and your family get the purest, healthiest water possible. Very important thing to consider. Second thing is the maintenance cost. If you've ever had a water purifier, you know what I'm talking about. It's very difficult to maintain a water purifier. You can go ahead and buy one, but maintaining it is the main problem. There's the hassle of calling and booking an appointment with an RO technician because you need to change the filters, and the cost of those filters is also a lot. Without realizing it, we almost end up paying twice of what we've paid for the purifier in the process of maintaining it. And that's where the Native M2 RO purifier comes into picture. So when I started reviewing and testing the Native M2 RO water purifier, one thing stood out to me, that is the maintenance cost. This one offers zero maintenance cost for 2 years. Now you might be wondering, how is that possible? Well, Urban Company has used their knowledge of servicing ROs for 10 years, and they've come up with self-cleaning filters which only need replacement once every 2 years. So the life of the filters is way more as compared to other RO water purifiers in the market. And that is the main thing. And not just filters, Urban Company is offering unconditional warranty on everything, membranes as well as filters. So basically you won't need to change the filters regularly, which offers very good cost saving and also saves you the hassle of booking an appointment with the technician. The Native M2 effectively helps you save up to rupees 18,000 in the entire lifetime of the RO. That is awesome. Now let's talk about the design of this RO for a bit. It's very fresh and different from other purifiers available in the market. It looks very modern, sleek, and fits perfectly in any setup. I love the minimalist look, and the black color definitely adds to the premium feeling. In my opinion, it's one of the best designed RO water purifiers out there. It is now time to talk about all the incredible features that this RO water purifier comes with. Number one is a 10-stage purification process. So the Native M2 has a 10-stage purification process. It all starts with a pre-filter, then comes the RO membrane, followed by a 4-in-1 health booster. This 4-in-1 health booster helps in adding alkaline to the water along with essential minerals and makes the water copper rich. Then there is a pre-carbon filter followed by a sediment filter, and finally comes the UV light and UF membrane. All these steps help in purifying the water and adding essential minerals to it. Number 2 is 8-liter storage capacity. So the Native M2 comes with an 8-liter storage capacity tank which always has purified water in it. So you and your family won't need to wait for purified water. It will always be available at your fingertips if you want to fill a bottle or at a party. Number 3 is 3 preset modes. So the Native M2 comes with 3 preset modes to avoid hassle and wastage of water. You can fill water in a glass, a bottle, or you can also enable the free flow mode. So depending upon the need, you can choose the preset mode. Very convenient and works accurately. Also, it has one-touch dispensing, a holding tray, and a guide light as well. The guide light is extremely useful in dark scenarios. So in the night, if you get thirsty and quickly want to drink water, the guide light will help you. Number 4 is self-cleaning filters. As I mentioned earlier, this water purifier comes with self-cleaning filters which don't need maintenance for up to 2 years. You don't need to change them regularly. Number 5 is certifications. The Native M2 RO water purifier has been certified by the FDA, ISI, ISO, and ROHS. Basically, it means that it has been tested to the highest level so that you get all the right features and pure drinking water. Now let's do a quick TDS test, one before installation and one after installation of the water purifier. So as you can see, just after installation, the TDS level is 404. Now let's give it some time to filter the water and let's check the TDS after some time. Now as you can see, after the setup is complete, the TDS level has come down to 57. That is excellent. It has done a very good job in terms of purifying the water, and the TDS level will give you a very good idea of that. TDS stands for total dissolved solids and it is calculated in ppm or parts per million. Lower the TDS value, more consumable it is. The native M2 offers very good TDS levels and the water quality is excellent. This water purifier also comes with smart features. First and foremost, you can control everything about the water purifier from the Urban Company app itself. You can check the quality of the water or if the filter needs replacement inside the app itself. Very convenient. You can also check the water usage with a real-time tracking feature. This is super helpful, especially if you want to track the amount of water that you're drinking. Now that we know about all the incredible features that this water purifier offers, what about the price? Well, this one will cost you rupees 17,499, which honestly is a very good price. You also get annual savings up to 18,000 rupees because you don't need to replace the filters for the first 2 years. Also, if the filters or membranes do need replacement in the first couple of years, you will get that for free because of the warranty. Now, this is also available for the native M1 water purifier, which will only cost you rupees 13,499. RO purifiers generally become very expensive because of the maintenance cost, but the native M2 is a cost-effective alternative which works really well. Also, there's no hassle or headache of booking an appointment with the technicians. That is really good. Now, coming to the special feature which I was talking about in the start of the video. What happens when the 2-year warranty period is expired? With other purifiers, you don't know when you have to pay the maintenance charge, which is pretty high by the way, but with the native M2 you can extend your warranty for 2 more years for just rupees 4,500. So you get a clear-cut idea of how much it is going to cost you to extend your warranty, and once you extend the warranty you can be tension-free because you again get that zero maintenance cost experience. With so many features, it is safe to say that the Urban Company native M2 RO water purifier is a smart buy. If you want to buy it, I will drop a link to it in the description box below. Now here I would like to give a quick disclaimer that this video has been sponsored by Urban Company. They wanted to send out their native M2 RO water purifier for me to test out, and I was like, why not? I keep talking about staying hydrated on this channel and it feels like the right move. Stay hydrated, drink pure water because that is very, very important.